Okay, about to unload the Grizzly here from the Tacoma. I just thought I'd make a quick video, show you what it's like room-wise in the back of a smaller pickup. The Grizzly fits in like just absolutely perfectly. I've had to make some extra wooden braces here because of the wheel wells. I'll pull the quad out and I'll show you, but it fits on the back absolutely perfectly. That's the push on the suspension here. Show you the other side. I'm on a bit of a slant here, but so it's not factory suspension. I do have Icon Stage 3 with the add a leaf on it. Factory suspension on the Tacomas are pretty soft, but yeah, I don't know, it holds a 750-800 pound quad no problem. Here's a simple solution for trying to get your quad into the back of a smaller truck if you don't have a trailer. So I just made these 2x10. They are same height as the wheel wells, and then just some plywood, and you can see a little support there. So one on either side, like it's perfect. The wheel wells are just spaced out enough that your quad will tilt. It doesn't rest just perfect on it. So adding these extensions, I can put my sport quads in here, everything. And then with the ramps, like super simple setup if you don't have a trailer. Okay, there we are, Grizzly, back into the truck. When you're using the ramps, make sure you use the straps. If one of these ramps ever kicks out on you, you're gonna have a quad fall on you.